Today I'm gonna show you 5 strategies to learn English in 2 months. Stay with us. Before we start, you have to totally forget about the Learn English in 5 days idea everybody heard about, because that's a big lie. Frankly speaking, 2 months is a reasonable time to learn English and start at least understanding what is said to you in English. Let's start by strategy number 1. Dedicate 2 hours every day to learn English. If you want to learn English fast, you have to choose 2 hours every day from your leisure time or free time and give it to learning English. If you don't do that, you'll never be able to learn that language. Strategy number 2. Start learning vocabulary first, which means you have to start learning the names of things you see and say every day in English. Strategy number 3. Do everything in your life in English, which means you have to turn your life to English. Your phone settings, for example, should be in English. The movies you watch, everything in your life should be in English and not in your first language. When you will find yourself surrounded by English, you will definitely learn some things or maybe everything in English. Strategy number 4. Learn grammar. With the right vocabulary items and grammatical rules in mind, you would be able to compose phrases and sentences, which means you will be able to know what to say in every situation correctly. Strategy number 5. Avoid listening to music with the goal of learning English from it, and definitely avoid watching movies with Arabic subtitles. If you listen to music with the goal of learning English from it, you will get stuck. Why? Because sometimes the singers are speaking too fast, and you shouldn't forget that you are still a beginner. And other times, their speech is blended in with the music. You will find it difficult to hear the right words, and maybe you'll commit mistakes in learning. Also, avoid watching movies with Arabic subtitles. If you do that, your mind will be focused on the bottom of your screen where those subtitles are, and you will not be focusing on what is said in that movie. If you apply these 5 strategies in your life, you will definitely learn English. Try to apply 1 strategy per day and give English 2 hours from your time every day. It's worth it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications to get all the new lessons and to support us.